Welcome. Today our topics. What is a crypto business and how is it profitable? How to start a crypto business. The cryptocurrency market is relatively young and very specific in its structure and organization. Still, we can already trace some stages of its evolution, including those related to the development of its institutions. Obviously, these processes were accompanied by the transformation of behavior patterns of cryptocurrency market players. The study of these models makes it possible to test a number of behavioral finance theories and determine the common and specific features in the functioning of the cryptocurrency market compared with other financial markets. The term cryptocurrency is now firmly rooted in both the everyday lexicon and specialized literature. The word essentially hides a set of accounting, issuance, and exchange mechanisms. Unlike electronic money, cryptocurrency is not controlled by the state or an organization and is not tied to real money. Because such systems are decentralized, correctness is ensured through a blockchain of transaction blocks based on cryptographic algorithms. All this led to the idea that the development of blockchain technology can fundamentally change human life and the financial system as a whole, which contributed to the creation and development of countless different business projects related to the crypto niche. This article will tell you what a crypto business is, what makes it profitable, and the benefits of creating one today. In addition, you will learn the main types of businesses in the crypto industry, and at the end, you will find a step-by-step guide on how to create your own crypto business and take your place under the sun in the crypto world. What is a crypto business and how is it profitable? As the Global Crypto Adoption Index shows, most of the countries in the world have already adopted cryptocurrencies and are actively using them in different areas of human life. A global digitalization of society is taking place and cryptocurrencies are driving progress toward a complete transition from traditional money to digital money. Various crypto projects related to crypto processing, virtual reality, crypto assets trading, and many other areas where cryptocurrency is able to unlock its potential are being created. Cryptocurrency business today represents a wide range of promising areas of crypto market development. The creation and development of crypto projects that each day cover more and more spheres of human life has already made it clear that the new blockchain technology is becoming a revolution that fundamentally changes the way money works in the modern financial system. More and more companies are trying to keep up with the progress by implementing solutions based on distributed ledger technology and thus making a step towards enhancing business processes that allow for improving customer experience accordingly. Both companies with many years of experience and newly founded companies are finding that important customers and suppliers are choosing to do business using cryptocurrency. Using cryptocurrency for business presents many opportunities today. Introducing cryptocurrency now can help raise awareness of this new technology in every organization. It can also help companies position themselves in this important emerging space for the future, which may include central bank digital currencies and traditional investments that have been tokenized, and new asset classes may provide access to new pools of capital and liquidity through cryptocurrency. For example, cryptocurrency business accounts can be an effective alternative to cash or a countervailing asset whose value may depreciate over time due to inflation. Cryptocurrency is an investment asset, and some, such as Bitcoin, have performed exceptionally well over the past 5 years. Moreover, one of the important aspects of the crypto business as part of the creation of a blockchain-based solution is the fact that people are working hard to remain anonymous, which is certainly an important component when creating any kind of crypto projects. Another example is that by creating a payment system in cryptocurrency, you can connect with these people and interact with them on a deeper level, allowing them to shop at some online store and do as they please. Disclaimer: the information provided in this article is solely the author's opinion and not investment advice. It is provided for educational purposes only. By using this, you agree that the information does not constitute any investment or financial instructions. Do conduct your own research and reach out to financial advisors before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching.